Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to prevent web pages from displaying images on the web browser in your PC. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open web browser on your PC. Then go to top right corner and click on three bar icon. Then at the bottom, click on settings. Now go to left side and then click on privacy and security. Now from here click on site and shell settings. Now scroll down and click on images. This is images section. Here at the top you can see sites usually show images to prevent illustration like photos for online stores or news articles. Here you can see two behavior options. One is sites can show images, another is don't allow sites to show images. Features that need image don't work. To prevent display image, select this. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.